How to fix MacBook battery not charging. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. The first and the foremost fix is to check your charging cable and adapter. Make sure to always use the original Apple charger. Swap with another if possible to rule out hardware issues. The next fix is to clean the charging port. So go ahead and dust a lint in the USB-C or MagSafe port as it can stop the battery from charging. The next fix is to cool down your Mac. MacBooks may pause charging if the battery is too hot, so it is recommended to let it cool and then try again later in a few minutes. See if that fixes your issue, and if you are still not being able to charge your MacBook, then check the battery health settings. So tap on the Apple icon on the top left of your screen, and in the menu that appears, navigate to System Settings and then tap on the battery option there. Further, select the battery health option. Now, go ahead and disable the optimized battery charging option or check for service recommendations. And if that also does not fix your issue, then you can run Apple Diagnostic. To do that, restart and hold the D key on your keyboard to check hardware or battery issues. And you can also make sure to charge from a wall outlet and not a USB hub or power bank, and make sure not to use low watt chargers. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix MacBook battery not charging. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.